I'm Kez with Strada, and I'm excited to show you today this 7-bedroom villa located in Dubai Hills Estate. The property comes fully renovated, offering full golf course views, and is priced at 46 million dirhams. Let me give you a tour. So as we enter the villa, you're greeted by a double height ceiling and Spanish chandelier, giving a grand feel upon entrance. So to my right, you have a guest bedroom and ensuite, as well as an office and study space. This can be converted into a second guest bedroom on the ground floor, as well as a powder room, which can be used by guests. What I find unique about this property is that it does have an elevator, which you don't typically see in these types of villas. Usually you'll find them in the custom builds. So the downstairs section is broken into 4 areas. You've got your entertainment and bar area, your lounge space, formal seating space, and your dining area as well. The sofas that you see here are imported from UK-based sofa and chair company, and the materials used on the bar are imported from Dutch company eichholtz. So towards this section of the villa, you've got your formal dining area. This actually used to be an open plan kitchen. However, the current owner removed it and converted it into a dining space, offering more room for guests. To the left of me, you've got a closed kitchen with fully fitted Siemens appliances and also an entrance at the back to the double car garage. So this is a B1 type villa. So the built up area is 9,212 square foot on a generous plot of 13,235 square foot. To the right of me, you've got a sunken seating area where you can put a barbecue space in the middle, as well as your very own private pool just behind me. The main selling point is the fact that you've got full views of the prestigious 18-hole championship golf course, as well as the Dubai Hills View Mansions as your very own backdrop. Let me show you inside and we'll take a look upstairs. So as we enter the upstairs space, you've got your informal lounge. This can be used as like a multi-purpose space, whether you want to change it to a games room, a theatre area, an office space, or if you just want to keep it as it is right now. You've also got your balcony here overlooking onto the 18-hole championship golf course. And as you can see, the owner has put a lot of attention to detail with all the materials again from UK, Holland, and Italy. Let me now take you to the master bedroom. So here we are in the master suite, and as you can see, attention to detail has been made very clear. From the censored lighting to this lovely herringbone style wooden flooring, each bedroom has been ripped out and redesigned with the highest of quality materials, and each bedroom also comes with its own ensuite bathroom and walk-in wardrobe. If you like this tour and you want to see this amazing villa in person, please contact me today for a private viewing. I'm Kez from Strada. Thank you for watching.